Hi guys, you don't need a UK phone number or VPN anymore to open a UK TikTok account. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because on this video I'm going to show you all the easy steps. A lot of people are paying people for them to get UK TikTok account, but on this video is going to be totally free. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing we are going to do is I'm going to take you to my phone right now. So if you have any phone, Android phone, iPhone, make sure you open it. All right, so make sure you pick up your phone so I can show you how you can do it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my account, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one, you will not miss it. And don't forget that if you have a UK TikTok account, you will be able to earn money. The more you post, they will pay you. All right, because if you have a UK or US TikTok account, they will start paying you for monetization. So let's go straight to my phone so I can show you exactly how it's been done. So the first thing you are going to do is, if you have a TikTok account before, all right, just go to your profile and click on add account so that you can add a new one. So once you get to this place, all right, so you can see where it says sign up TikTok account. You can see US phone number, blah blah there. Then I want you to look down where it say by continue with this an account located in Nigeria. All right, so you can see that where it says Nigeria, you can see there it's written in blue pen. That means you can click it and it can show other options. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I want you to click on where it shows Nigeria. All right, so once you click on where it shows Nigeria, let me click on it so you see. So once I click on where it says Nigeria, hold on, it's loading. Just give it a little time, it's loading. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do it again. It's still loading. All right, so once you click on where you say Nigeria, this is what you are going to see. All right, so you are going to see search button. So you see a lot of countries. So if you want to create a US, Facebook, Ukraine, any country that you want to create, so you can decide to choose. But for me, I just click on UK. All right, so now we are back to where we clicked the Nigeria from. So I want you to read again along with me. By continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. So you see that where it was written Nigeria before just changed to United Kingdom. So now if you continue with your registration, trust me, you are going to have a UK account. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try sign up with, I don't need the US phone number like I said, or a VPN to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with Google. So I'm going to click on that Google icon. All right, so once you click on Google icon, it's going to take you this way. So you are going to see a bunch of your Google account that you have on your phone. All right, so it's either you select one and continue, then you have an account. But for me, let's continue with email. So I'm going to insert my email here. Then I'm going to click on get trend content newsletter. It doesn't matter if you have it. All right, so you can just click on it. You check it, right? So after inserting your email, so I'm typing CBS updates, which is my email at gmail.com, or I did a mistake, so at gmail.com. So I'm going to click on continue. So they are going to send a code to my email, then I'm going to insert the code to where it says I should insert it. And once I'm done inserting the code, I'll just click on verify, and boom, I have the account. So this is it. I don't want to create an account. I don't want to create a UK account, but trust me, if you pass this process, you are going to have a UK account. So make sure you try it, and don't forget to drop comments